we guide you through how to clear iPhone storage. So the first thing you need to do is to open your settings, tap General, then select iPhone storage to see what's taking up space. Wait a few seconds for the breakdown to load. Start by deleting unused apps by tapping an app and choosing Delete App or Enable. Upload app to keep its data. Next, scroll to Messages and review large attachments. Delete videos and photos you no longer need. After that, go to Photos, tap Select, and remove duplicate or blurry images. Then don't forget to clear the recently deleted album to permanently free space. Head back to Settings, find Safari, and tap Clear History and Website Data, or remove cached files. You can also check apps like TikTok or Facebook and clear their cache inside the app settings. And finally, restart your iPhone to refresh storage.